everybody. Yeah, don't mind the hair. Wait, don't. Oh, my braiding technique is good. Okay, so what I'm doing today is basically I need to start getting rid of some stuff. I am getting rid of pants and stuff and making room for more dresses and skirts. And because you see that closet, it looks a mess. Okay, so this over here in my dressers, I want my dressers to be gone, and because this is really a small one. Okay, so this is a lot of junk. Y'all will see. Good. Okay, where's that bag at? What I do with that bag? Oh.